Hello, friends, family, and strangers. We're doing another unboxing, but this time it's from Theory Sabers Lightsaber. Ooh. Been wanting to do a video like this for a while for a lightsaber. And every time I tried, the video failed or something happened. I picked up a couple of his lightsabers. I've always just wanted to just talk about his lightsabers. Theory Sabers. Here's one of them. With Darth Vader's, but let's talk about this one. Let's open it up. Fulfill your destiny. Heck yeah, we will. Okay, so let's look at the little stuff first. I wonder which one is the one. Okay, so I've got this one. With a buy one get one free. His first sale, man, this was before Black Friday. Yeah, it was way before Black Friday. All right, so we're getting some stickers. Love stickers. We got our plaque. Nice and fresh, man. Another Theory Series sticker. Love stickers. So we get 2 charging cables. 2 tool sets and retention screws. We get ourselves a plug, Theory Saber style. Ooh, I like that. I'll show you closer. Yeah, that's pretty sick, actually. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Dig it? Dig it, dig it. Of course, we get our manuals. Nice. I don't know which one I picked up as far as the free one goes. There. 2 manuals, obviously 2 manuals. Our display stand, which looks like this one. Looks just like this one. I put little rubber feet in the bottom so it doesn't slide around. The rubber feet you could get online for like $10 for like 100 or something like that. But pretty dang cool. Acrylic. That's where you put your little plaque. Go. And I hope there's 2 of them, not just one. I think it's only one. We got our blades. This one's smaller. It's thinner. Ooh, did I get the regular one? I did. The free one is a regular lightsaber, RGB. And of course the one I got is the Pixel. Which one is it? This is the one I got. I could tell because oh, this is so cool. Let's get closer, huh? Get closer. Yeah. Oh, this is the Annie 3. Whoa, this thing's cool. It's hard because it's got that rubber grip to get off. Ooh, I don't want to rip it. It's just rubber. Yeah, it's... Who cares? Who cares? It's just bubble wrap. Damn. This is sick. This is really cool, man. Doesn't have the control box, which was the plan. Man, this is cool. I might weather this. Yep, I might weather this. Yes, this is so cool, man. This is dope. Let's take a look at the free one. I don't even know what this one is called. I bet you the display stand has 2 of them in there. That would be cool. I hope there's 2 in there. Oh, cool. Oh man, this is sick too. Oh, I like that brush. Oh man, this is dope. That pommel though. The speaker hose. That's sick. This is definitely not a light side kind of saber, man. Oh man. Just hold it. Yep. Oh, this was loud. Okay, no motion control. Mute.
Low volume. High volume. Access red.
Wow. I wonder if this is where the retention screws go. Has to be. Dude, this is nice. It's really light. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and turn this sucker on. So we're opening it up here. This is a Profi board. I don't know if it gets removed or not. No, it does not. All right, this is nice. I wonder if I could take it off up here. Let's put this back on. Single button Profi. Yes, you can. Take a look. Your SD card's on the back side of the battery here. I was wondering if it was a kill switch type, but I guess not. Probably have to turn it on by holding the button for a while. Nope. Ooh. Let's put the blade in, yeah? Now the blade is thinner. It's thinner than my, than the other one. Let me pull the other one out real quick. Yeah, it's much thinner. Let's take a look real quick. Got my tools here. Speaking of, Theory Saber just went live. That's funny. 25 point, what is this, by inches? It's a 1 inch blade, huh? That's a 1 inch blade. This is almost 1 inch blade. Huh. Alright, let's put this back way back. That's for my Darth Vader's lightsaber. Let's take the wrapping off this guy too. Ooh. I wonder if because it's thinner for a reason? I'm not entirely sure why. I thought they were all universal, you know? Okay. 2 retention screws. One here, one there. Looks right. I wonder if it matters which one is which. Don't use when charging. Only use 5 volts. They look the same. Let's Let's use included tool. Oh, we lost one. It's alright. I have a whole bunch of extra ones. Luckily. Luckily. Let's get it in just a little. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's try again. Yeah. That's sick, man. Yeah, that's cool, dude. Alright, let's change.
Now this is pod racing.
Huh? Young version, Annie. I want regular Ben.
He's no good to me dead.
The TIE Fighter one. Oh, that's new to me. Vader.
It's just bad these days. At last we will have revenge. Master Yoda.
No.
Darth Sidious. I am a Jedi, like my father. Never hear the tragedy. I'm Cal. Second sister.
Ahsoka Tano.
Balin Skull. The Dark Saber. Traitor! Just a simple wonder.
Oh,
Now
yeah.
this is pod racing.
Organ Elspeth.
Okay, there's no Anakin.
He's no good to me dead.
I want to see TIE Fighter. Let's take a look at the TIE Fighter. It's pretty dope. Okay, so this would have to be Anakin Skywalker's because, well, it's blue and he chopped up. I'll do another angle for you guys. Well, that was weird. Battery must be low. Every time the audio goes out, the battery is pretty close to dying. Alright, so let's turn it off. Let's take a look at the standard one. Ooh, this is pretty sick. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, let's turn it on. So much lighter. That's for sure.
Estes. Yoda.
I think I have to change the color manually. There we go. I feel like this needs to be red. There we go. Pretty cool, man. All right, there it is.